Hello everyone, I'm Noki. Welcome to another episode of GSTV. Today we out here strolling on the bay with my dude out of towns, Antonio. What's up, bro?
What's going on?
My dude Troy. What's up, Troy? What you doing over there, man? Rigging ups? Yeah. Alright. Oh man, they got school the drums. Big boy. Big boy. This big boy, fam. Big boy. Blackdrum. Big donkey right here. Big donkey right here. Big donkey. This the fourth time I hooked them. There's so much of school of them. Big donkey right here, fam. Come on. Come on. Come on, come in for me. I just want to measure you. I know you're oversized, but I just want to measure you. Come on. Let me get my numbers in. Let me take a picture with you. Come on. Come on. That's all I'm asking. Pictures. Come on. I know you're too big. I know you overslide. Come on, big homie. Oh man. Oh man, fam. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, fam. Look at this. Look at this rail, fam. Ooh. Woo. He's not coming up. He's not coming up. He don't want to get. He don't want to pick this day. He don't want to pick this day, bro. Bro. Oof. 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 He do whatever he can. He do what he can to get away. He do what he can. He do what he can to get out of his, man. He don't want no pictures. Bro.
You saw the whole swarm of drum? There's a whole swarm of drum.
The whole school.
A school of drum.
He don't want no drum. He wants snapper. All right, fam. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Still going at it. This is 30 plus. This is 30 plus. He going for the pylon. He going to the pylon. He don't want to come up. He don't want to go pylon. Zigzagging. Oh. Ooh. Zigzagging. Come on. Come on. Right here. Hey, Troy. Oh. Hey, come on. Come on, Troy, come on.
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Oh, he see you. He see you. Slow, nice and slow. Loki, you got it. Work. Loki, you got it. Work. You got it. Oh, fam. Look at that, fam. Come on, man. Come on, big boy. I want you to take a picture with you and measure it. Come on. I know I'll get you back out. Come on, fam. Come on.
Drum almost as powerful as a damn group,
bro. This fish can fight.
It's a fight. Don't let him go. Nokio. You got him. Don't let him go, Noki. Hold him, man. Just hold him. He's tired. You got him. He's tired.
You gotta come outside, in front of him.
Huh?
You gotta try to catch him, scoop him in front of him.
Yeah. I am. When you bring him back.
You see you.
Yeah.
Let me step back a little bit. Step back a little bit. Ooh.
Come on, you got it.
Hold on.
It's gonna be a 30-pound snatch.
I can't get him.
Hold on.
Come back a little more.
So, you go.
Oh, I got him. Nah, he's too far still, see? Oh, he's there, he's there. He's like a running for him. Yeah.
Get it, Troy. Get it, Troy.
Got him.
Yes, sir.
Gunshine TV. Gunshine TV.
baby.
Woo! Yeah. Put him down, bro. Put him down. Put him down. Oh my God. Good Lord, Biggs. Oh. Yeah, fam. Blackdrum 33-inch. Yes.
This is our 14 shoe right here.
Act
right.
My ATL fam right here, man.
Hey, act right.
Yeah, they came down. They want to hang out, so we out here
Gunshine
trolling.
TV, baby. Nope.
Gunshine TV. We own this. PB Blackdrum, fam. Yeah.
The one that the big fish.
Woo. All right. Take two. Come on, TC. Come on, TC.
Branded up. I gotta represent the brand, man. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings, kings.
Oh, man.
Kings and queens out there.
Look at it. When he stop, rail him in, bro. When he run, let him run. This is like tug of war, bro. Pretty much it. There we go. Take two right here. This is the second time, Troy. Come on. It's right there. It's right there.
It's different.
Woo. Schools of black drums out here, fam. You drop anything out there. Mud crab, fillet crabs, mango tree crabs, shrimp, anything.
Any fish could get it.
Man, it's epic right here, fam. Big dog finna get on his next. Hey, your little pole, he gonna disrespect that. This big boy, that's 5,000. That's 5,000 right here.
Do the white pole. Break the white pole.
Ooh. Okay. I see the leader. He coming up. Where? I see the leader. So that means he's coming up. Try to bring the pole up. Try to bring the pole up. Yeah, forward. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, don't let him muscle you. Bring that pole up. Yeah. Leave it up like that. Yeah. Come on. Bring it up. Get in there. It's almost right here, bro. It's right here. Woo. Doing this out here. Tampa Bay, come on. Ooh, he tried to get into that fender. Yeah, maneuver him out. Let him go. Yeah, let him go. Try to bring him out of his corner. That's what you do. Steer him out of the corner and open. Look at that net.
So you got the net, so work the net, so.
There we go. Yeah, he got you working out, huh? The net ready.
Patience is a virtue.
Down there. Come on. 2 minutes.
I walked 6 miles yesterday, man.
That ain't even green goblin.
I walked 6 miles yesterday.
That's the red goblin.
That's the red.
I walked 6 miles for this.
That's the red goblin.
I walked 6 miles for this.
Go. In front of him. Snoop in front of him.
When I pull him back, you can just.
Yeah. Right now.
Hold on. Tone, you there.
Right.
Get in front of him, Tone.
Get him, Tone.
Scoop in the net.
Oh, you got it?
We got it. Let's go, Tone. You got it. Let's go, Tone.
Woo! He tried to break you off.
Let's go, Tone.
He tried to break you off. Oh, this is even bigger. This is even bigger.
Big Tone.
Bro, my dude Troy caught this Blackdrum, this donkey.
Well, we excited out here, man.
Woo! Big in the ruler. Yeah, that's PB for sure. Atlanta boy. TC. Troy. Yeah, look at it. 36-inch Blackdrum, Gunshine TV. I'm gonna do Troy. Brought him in. Atlanta boy brought him in. Look at this. Humongous. 36 plus right here. The ruler can't measure. Alright, fam. Going back.
Woo!
Yeah. Big Tone put in the 30-inch.
You already know.
Troy got the best of all 36. Pick him up, bro. Pick him up. Pick him up. You're champion. Yeah, man.
Sunshine on you, baby.
Yeah, man.
Get the sunshine on you. Get that sunshine on you, man. Enjoy the sun, man.
Yeah.
Huh? How it feel, Tone?
You came down and put it on. You want to put it on? Get it put on.
Baby.
The one that the big fish.
Yeah, fam, it was a good day today. We came out and crushed it, man. Both my dudes out here, man. Big Tone from SC. My dude from King Troy from Atlanta, man. We crushed it, man. Thank you for watching. You like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. You haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And hit that bell for notification.
Gunshine TV.
We're GSTV. We out, fam.